Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a complete first look at one of the most breathtaking hypercars ever created, the Bugatti Hypercar. Known for combining extreme performance with unmatched luxury, Bugatti continues to push the limits of automotive engineering. This latest model features a stunning design, cutting-edge technology, incredible power, and handcrafted luxury that places it among the world's most exclusive cars. In today's video, we'll explore the exterior, interior, engine, performance, technology, safety features, expected price, and much more. So let's begin. The first thing you'll notice is the incredible design, finished in a beautiful metallic dark blue and gloss black paint combination. This Bugatti looks absolutely stunning under bright showroom lights. The two-tone finish highlights every curve and aerodynamic detail, giving the car an elegant yet aggressive appearance. At the front, the iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille immediately grabs attention. It proudly carries the famous Bugatti badge, surrounded by sculpted carbon fiber bodywork. The new quad LED headlights feature an advanced lighting system that not only improves visibility, but also creates a unique signature that's instantly recognizable. The front bumper includes large air intakes designed to cool the massive engine and improve aerodynamic efficiency. A carbon fiber front splitter helps generate downforce, keeping the car stable even at extremely high speeds. Moving to the side, the Bugatti's profile is simply breathtaking. The famous C-shaped side line flows smoothly from the roof into the rear section, giving the car its unmistakable identity. Every curve has been carefully designed to manage airflow while maintaining a luxurious appearance. Large forged alloy wheels perfectly fill the wheel arches and are wrapped in ultra-high performance tires. Behind the wheels sit massive carbon ceramic brakes with high-performance calipers, providing incredible stopping power. The side mirrors, side skirts, and air channels are all made from lightweight carbon fiber, helping reduce weight while improving performance. Now let's take a look at the rear. The rear design is equally dramatic. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the back, giving the car a futuristic appearance. The active rear wing automatically adjusts depending on speed to maximize downforce and stability. Below the wing sits an aggressive carbon fiber diffuser and performance exhaust system that complete the race-inspired look. Every detail at the rear serves both style and function. Overall, the exterior perfectly combines beauty, luxury, and extreme aerodynamics. Now let's step inside the cabin. Opening the door reveals one of the most luxurious interiors ever placed inside a hypercar. The cabin is handcrafted using premium leather, Alcantara, polished aluminum, carbon fiber, and precision-machined metal controls. Every surface feels luxurious and carefully finished. The driver sits in supportive sports seats wrapped in premium black leather with dark blue contrast stitching. These seats provide exceptional comfort while securely holding the driver during high-speed driving. Front of the driver is a beautifully designed steering wheel wrapped in soft leather with integrated performance controls. The fully digital instrument cluster displays speed, engine information, navigation, tire pressure, performance data, G-forces, and customizable driving modes. The center console features a high-resolution infotainment display with navigation, smartphone connectivity, Bluetooth, premium audio, wireless charging, climate controls, and vehicle settings. Ambient lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere inside the cabin, while premium speakers deliver outstanding sound quality during everyday driving. Although this is a hypercar, Bugatti has also focused on comfort, offering excellent seating position, premium materials, and surprisingly practical storage for daily essentials. Now let's talk about the heart of this incredible machine. The Bugatti Hypercar is expected to feature a quad turbocharged W16 engine, delivering extraordinary performance. Depending on the final model, power could exceed 1,600 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful production cars in the world. Some future versions may also introduce hybrid technology, combining electric assistance with the legendary Bugatti engine to improve both performance and efficiency. Power is delivered through an advanced all-wheel drive system paired with a lightning-fast dual-clutch automatic transmission. Gear changes happen almost instantly, ensuring maximum acceleration. Performance is simply astonishing. The Bugatti Hypercar is expected to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 2.3 seconds. The top speed could exceed 270 mph, making it one of the fastest road-legal cars ever built. Advanced adaptive suspension, active aerodynamics, torque management, electronic stability systems, and multiple driving modes allow the car to remain comfortable during everyday driving, while transforming into a true track machine whenever needed. Despite its incredible power, advanced engineering helps improve cooling, stability, and driving confidence at very high speeds. Safety is equally impressive. The Bugatti Hypercar is expected to include modern driver assistance technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, front collision warning, lane departure warning, rear cross-traffic alert parking sensors, a 360-degree camera system, and intelligent traction control. These systems help make driving easier while preserving the car's thrilling performance. Owners will also be able to personalize their Bugatti with exclusive paint colors, custom leather interiors, carbon fiber packages, wheel designs, brake caliper colors, personalized stitching, and unique trim finishes. Every Bugatti can be tailored to match the owner's personal taste. Now let's discuss the expected price. Although official pricing depends on the specific model and customization, this Bugatti Hypercar is expected to start at approximately $4 million. Highly customized versions could easily exceed $5 million, making it one of the most exclusive and expensive production cars in the world. Its rivals include the Koenigsegg Jesko, Rimac Nevera Pagani Utopia, Ferrari F80, McLaren V1, and Aston Martin Valkyrie. What makes Bugatti truly special is its ability to combine breathtaking speed with unmatched craftsmanship and luxury. Very few cars can deliver this level of performance while offering such an elegant driving experience. Overall, this Bugatti Hypercar represents the very best of modern automotive engineering. It combines stunning design, record-breaking performance, advanced technology, luxurious craftsmanship, and incredible exclusivity into one unforgettable machine. If you're a fan of hypercars, this is undoubtedly one of the most exciting vehicles ever created. That brings us to the end of today's first look at this incredible Bugatti Hypercar. Let us know in the comments. Would you choose this Bugatti over the Koenigsegg Jesko, Ferrari F80, McLaren W1, or Rimac Nevera? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews of hypercars, supercars, luxury cars, and future automotive innovations. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
It's all for you. No, no, no. Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me cruising on the moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows over it. Checking my maps, heading a stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl. Can you keep it warm for me, keep it on for me like a shower? I need it to run for me, hold it down till I'm pulling up. I finally made it, girl, and I'm at the door.